Hello there, I'm Nancy, and today I want to talk to you about English paper piecing with diamonds, like these ones here. Diamonds are made of quality paper, preferably, and you can either cut these yourselves at home, or if you're a bit lazy, or if you just can't be bothered, you can also buy them. The project was actually started by doing one star, surrounding it with hexagons. Then you add another star, which you then again surround with hexagons, and then you can just sort of spread it out like that into a longer row. And then you could add more stars around the outside if you wish. And that way you can make your quilt as big or as small as you want.